Ever wondered why we yawn? Let's dive into this curious habit. One theory suggests yawning helps us take in more oxygen. Another idea is that yawning cools our brain, keeping us alert. But that's not all. Yawning is also linked to social bonding. It seems yawning is contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger it. Even animals yawn. It's a universal behavior across species. So the next time you yawn, remember it's more than just tiredness. It's a fascinating mix of biology and social interaction. Despite ongoing research, yawning remains an intriguing behavior that continues to spark curiosity and debate. Want to learn more about quirky human behaviors? Stay tuned. Follow us on YouTube for more interesting content.